Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to install and use Qwen Code CLI with local models as well as OpenAI compatible APIs. Before we get started, Qwen Code is a fork of the open source project Gemini CLI, which is a coding agent that lives in the terminal and leverages Google Gemini models. The people at Alibaba who created Qwen have developed Qwen Code to work with their models' APIs as well as any OpenAI compatible APIs, allowing us to use local models through VLLM, Ollama, and so on. Now, to get started, we're going to want to go to our browser. Here we have the GitHub repo for Qwen Code. This gives us the instructions on how to install it and also gives us some extra information about Qwen Code. And another prerequisite, we're going to want to be using Ollama for our local model. You could also use VLLM like mentioned before. And also for this demo, I'm going to be showcasing an OpenAI compatible API, such as OpenRouter. And for this demo, we're going to be using Qwen3 Coder. Now coming back to the Qwen Code CLI repo, we could go ahead and scroll down. And you could see you do need Node.js version 20 or higher. I've went ahead and done that already. I'm on Node.js version 22. But if you have not done this yet, go ahead and copy this command here and run this in your terminal. And once you have Node installed, you're going to want to go ahead and install from npm using this command here. And we'll go ahead and just paste this in the terminal. Now I've already installed this, so once you have this in, go ahead and hit enter, and this will go ahead and install it. And to verify that the install is complete, we can just run Qwen, and I believe that was version, yes. As you can see, I have 0.0.5. And so now we'll run Qwen for the first time. So we could go ahead and just type in Qwen. And what this will do, this will start our CLI. As you can see here, some information here. And we could see how we want to authenticate our project. We could either use Qwen's OAuth. This will be directly using Qwen's APIs. They have some pretty fair pricing on their models and also a pretty generous free tier as well. You could explore that if you wish, but I'm going to be showcasing the OpenAI aspect. So we can come down here and hit enter. And for our API key, we're going to be using Ollama like I mentioned before. So here we'll just type in Ollama. And for our base URL, we're going to be using localhost at port 11434. Okay, and then for our model, we can use something like Llama 3.1 or 3.2. Once you have filled up all these fields, you could go ahead and hit enter. And as you can see, now we can start typing. Currently in my virtual machine, I don't have the best hardware, so Qwen CLI doesn't quite work as fast. So we're going to go ahead and close this out, and we're going to demo this with OpenRouter. So coming to a project, something we can do without having to enter in all those credentials each time, we could actually run these commands in the terminal. And I've already gone ahead and done that, but for OpenRouter, I've included the base URL and also my API key. And like I had mentioned before, we're going to be using Qwen3 Coder. So now coming down here, when we run Qwen, we're already authenticated and ready to type. So to test this out, we could actually just type a test message and hit enter. And you can see we got a response back. Now, how can we actually use this with our project? So coming back to that test code here, we'll go ahead and just run this to show a quick demo on how this works. This is just a quick, simple completions demo for OpenAI's API using Ollama. And up here, we're using the Qwen3 4B model. As you can see, we have an output, hi there, I'm doing great, and so on. Now, something I would like to have, maybe I would like to see streaming, just as, ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude all have in their user interfaces. So we'll actually come back to our Qwen CLI, and we could add the path to our test script. So we could use @test Ollama. We can say, can you add streaming to this code? We'll go ahead and hit enter and let that do its thing. And what it's done is looked over our code and then it's analyzed where it can make those changes. So now that it's done that, we could actually either allow the changes to be made, we could always allow, we could modify with another editor, or we could say no. So we'll go ahead and say yes, allow once. And so now coming to the code, we can see that there's been some changes made. And down here at the bottom, we can see that Qwen is still explaining what it's done and how it works. Cool. So now when we run this, should see some streaming. Perfect. Now that you have Qwen Code CLI installed, feel free to use this for your projects, explore, and have fun.